Hello, I'm Dr. J, and this is the Volatility Sonar Report. The reason it's so important for you is this is like a heartbeat for the market, folks. It tells you whether or not we expect the market to go up higher dramatically or down lower dramatically. As VIX moves up, they're expecting dramatic moves. As VIX moves down, that means volatility is going to be more stable. The markets are going to be more stable. Here's today's report.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, after a couple uneven days, we've really seen a big spike in the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, and we've seen a big pullback in the VIX. The VIX has moved down from about 38 to about 36, with the futures, the front 3-month futures, all trading just above 36. We had one interesting trade in June. People use the VIX options to take a position, a long position in the future. So what the customer did here was bought the June 37.5 call for $330, sold the June 37.5 put for $395. Here that'd be called a combo. When you buy the call, sell the put, it's a combo, and synthetically it's the same thing as a VIX futures position. So synthetically in this case, they bought the future for $36.85. So the customer here bought 2,000 of those combos and will benefit from spikes in the VIX and will get hurt from drops in the VIX in the same way had he just gone outright and bought the future for $36.85. We've had some interesting trading in June as well in upside calls. Typically when the VIX has a big sell-off, upside calls won't go down as much as you'd think they would according to most option pricing models. The thought being that fundamentally there's still a similar probability of a giant sell-off. So the 55s and the 65s would maintain a pretty strong bid even as the VIX was dropping. Today that didn't happen. The VIX was dropping and they were pounding the upside calls. They were selling the 65s for 20 cents. They were selling the 55s for 50 cents. And that's been a lot of our trading so far. There was 8,000 upside calls traded there in June. We had those 2,000 combos. A lot of the trading's been June thus far. People are still looking forward to the results later this week of the stress tests on major banks. We'll see if and how that moves the VIX here on Friday. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.